Hi parents, it's Laura again, and today we're doing lesson 6, and that means we're in section 2, which is all about awareness. Now, awareness is really about identifying what's inside of you and understanding what's outside of you in your situation, in your environment, and being able to act upon your awareness. So in lesson 6, we work on friendship qualities. We're trying to identify what kind of friend your child wants, as well as what kind of friend your child is. What we recommend is that you do these 3 steps. 1, you have your child identify what kind of friend they want. This could include words like trustworthy, sincere, playful, athletic. 2, have your child identify what qualities they have to bring to friendship. Are they generous? Are they outgoing? Are they playful? Next, have them draw out a friend wanted poster. Now this could include a lot of the words that they came up with. It could include pictures that they find in magazines, or they could draw out scenes that really emphasize the kind of friend they want. This friendship poster should be put up on their wall so that they can remember what they're looking for and what qualities maybe they want to work on so that they can be better friends too.